Kynhun Myntri ke Sarkar Jylla kala ai ke Mynjur ban pynbeit thymmai ya ki skul sarva shiksha abhiyan SSA ha ke Jylla. Haba penbena ya kini kerai hadian ke jingelang u Menteri Sarkar bat nong ai ketien ke Sarkar MDA uba wailat miki Syllad ulaong. Ngila Mynjur halor ke jing pynbeit thymmai ya ki skul SSA ke Sarkar. U Menteri upentip ru ba u Menteri rang ba ke Jylla bat u Menteri ketenat pulih putih kilaya kenduk dang shen bat kinong hikai SSA kibala kerpat halor ke rukom siu tulop ke bathmai bat ke jing pynbeit thymmai ya ke skul SSA. Ka Sarkar kala Mynjur ya kini ki jing dawa bat kala Mynjur ru na ke benta ke jing pynbeit thymmai. Wat la kata u Menteri Syamlala ban ai ya ke jing ken ke batikna halor ke jing kta jong kini ke jing pynbeit thymmai da ke boong ba ketenar kadang bishar bnia halor kini.
See, as you already know that just recently the teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have approved, principally have approved that to start the rationalization process. No, as of now, because the department is still working on that, I cannot give you the exact figure right